This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Lovely, updated Cape Cod in the award-winning community of Ford's Colony. Gorgeous white kitchen with new Energy Star appliances, new marble backsplash and beam ceiling. Wonderful floor plan featuring a first floor bedroom with a full bath, sizable family room also with beam ceilings. A lovely sunroom leads to a new trex deck and beautiful views of the golf course beyond the large backyard. Upstairs, 2 additional bedrooms share a Jack and Jill full bath, and a 4th bedroom greets you up the separate stairs above the garage with its own ensuite bath. Great storage, fantastic location near highways, entertainment, shopping, restaurants, and more. For more information, review the details below.